Hello and welcome. In today's episode, I will look at the feature of target weld, which is in 3ds Max, and I will try to find it in Blender, how I can weld two vertices automatically. I will select the object and I will press tab and I will select this vertex and I would like to merge or weld it automatically when I try to snap it. Okay, so come over here to the settings. It says auto merge vertices, so click on it to enable it. And okay, and then another thing I would like to enable is the snapping. So come over here, click on this snapping and change this to vertex. So I would like to snap to a vertex. Okay, and now I will click on this vertex, press G to move, bring it closer to this target vertex, and I will hold control on my keyboard to enable snapping. And while holding the control, as you can see, it is snapping to the nearest vertex. Alright, and once I left click on my mouse, it will accept it and it will merge it together automatically. So in order to test it, deselect and just click once and try to move it, and yeah, there is only one vertex. Okay, so this is how we can merge vertex automatically. Okay, and let's take a look at another example. Come over here, I will select this, press tab, go into the edit mode. So I will repeat the same thing as before. I will try to merge this vertex to this one, but this time see what happens. I will press G to move, bring the mouse closer and hold control. So it is snapping, but once I click left click, see what happens. It is snapping to another vertex. So let me undo and try again. Press G to move, hold control and left click, but it's snapping over there. The reason is, come over here to the options and the threshold. We need to reduce this further. Okay, so in this case, I will just enter 0.01. Enter. Okay, and now I will undo and try again. Let me double check. Yeah. Press G to move. Bring the mouse closer, hold control, and once I left click and see what happens. Okay, so this is when the two vertices are closer to each other, the system sometimes gets confused and it snaps to somewhere else, thinking that was the closest one. But we can control it by adjusting our threshold. So this is how we can achieve to merge vertices automatically in Blender. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care and bye bye.